Carfax one-owner vehicle. This 2002 Chevrolet Monte Carlo 2-Doctor SS Coupe features a 3.8L V6 MPIOH V12 V6-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is black with the ebony leather interior. It is offered as is, extended warranty is available. Call now at 201-200-1100 or visit www.instateauto.com. You can see more photos of this vehicle, free Carfax reports and over 300 more cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. Auto financing is available on most vehicles, all credit accepted. We provide all the paperwork, bill of sale, titles, reassignments and temp tags. Buy right off the LOT. We open at 9 a.m. every day. Air conditioning, climate control, dual-zone climate control, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, leather shifter, power driver's seat, clock, tachometer, digital info center, tilt steering wheel radio controls, sunroof, moonroof, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, keyless entry, security system, ABS brakes, traction control, rear defogger, fog lights, intermittent wipers, AM/FM, cassette, CD player, wheels, leather interior surface, cup holders, heated mirrors, premium wheels, carpeted floor mats,